Use a 21mm to remove your lug nuts, because we need to get to the shock that's right here. Use an 18mm here, take these two bolts out. At the bottom of the shock, you have this one nut, 18mm. Break it loose with a normal one, then use a ratchety wrench because you can't get a socket in here. Leave the wrench on like that and then whack it with a hammer to loosen the shock and get it out of this piece here, because mine was jammed in there, but just need your love hammer out. To feed it in, you get through the bottom here, bring it across, up, and you want to start the bottom first and give it a little love tap on the back. And then once you give it a little love tap on the back, then you're gonna have to pull down on this and put it over and get these little teeth things under there. Once you have those things lined up, put the nut on here, torque it down to guten tight. That's German for good enough tight. Now I'm gonna lower the vehicle so I can actually reach up here, and we're going to jack up the bottom here until both of these areas touch these pins. Then I'm going to put in the bolts and torque them down. You got the little things touching on both sides, put them in by hand. And now I'm just going to grab my torque wrench, give it a little oi, and it'll be tight enough. If you want to look up the torque spec, feel free. Here we are. This is the torque spec. Aye. One more time. Aye. There you go. This is all torqued down. So now I'm gonna lower this, take the weight off, and put the wheel back on. Thanks for watching another video, everybody. Hopefully this video saved you some money. Hopefully my steps were detailed enough for beginners to do, and hopefully you're happy with it. So if you are, like, share, subscribe. Till next time, wrench on.